Hi, I am currently in a, this is like before the storm, so I just want to take pictures and of the sky. There's a bug on my camera. It's not even really doing anything. Oh my god! Holy crap, it's blowing. This is really not doing too well with how it looks. Let's see. The clouds are moving very, very fast, and yeah, it's really pretty outside, but it's like not all that great anyway, because it's about to like pour down rain. So I just wanted to come out and take pictures and whatnot, and a little bit of video, and then hopefully post it, and hopefully the big bad storm won't be that horrible and whatever. So yeah. It's actually sprinkling. Okay, time to go in because it's starting to sprinkle and I don't want to get terribly wet, so bye!